Okay, in the previous video, we have created the VM, one VM. So now you can see here, your deployment is completed, it is showing. So one VM successfully created. You go and check in the virtual machines in the global search. There is one VM already created. See here, VM, public IP address, everything is available. Same way, I'm going to create one more VM for management purpose. Create virtual machine. Same way, you have to go through all the process. Test RG is my resource group. Here, VM hyphen management. Same region, availability zone, same, everything is same. Same VM. I'm going with the same setup. Username. Username, password, we need to type it. We should remember it. Okay. Same as previous video, I'm going to disable the inbound port rules here. Since we have already created for our environment purposes. So I'm going to make it as a none. Next disks, I'm going with the default one. Networking, same way we have to select our virtual network Vnet 1, subnet, same subnet. Public IP, yes, I needed with the management IP. So network security group is make it as a none. I'm going to select this one. Delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. That is a good practice always. Next, management, monitoring, advanced, next tags, review and create. So now the second VM is going to create. Create. Let it going to deploy this virtual machine, the second virtual machine. We will come back this video after the VM is created. I'm going to pause this video. So now you can see the second VM is also deployed now. I'm going to check the resources tab. Let me go to the virtual machines tab. See, two virtual machines already created. One is VM web, public IP address is this one. VM management, public IP address is this one. So we have created the VM as well. Now I'm going to associate the respective application security group this VM. What I'm going to do is associate network interfaces with respective ASG, application security group. For that, I need to go to the each VM. I'm going to the VM web, go to the networking. Here you can see application security groups. Here you need to add application security group here. Just click and you need to associate it with ASG web security group. Add. It is done. Now I'm going to the virtual machine. with management virtual machine, go to the networking application security group. I'm going to add as a ASG management security group. So I have associated the respective two applications group on the VM. Now I'm going to test RDP on both VMs. Going to virtual machine. First, let me just go with the VM management. Copy this public IP, open a MSTST, RDP, remote desktop connection screen, put IP address, connect. User or I'm going to type my password. See, now I'm able to RDP the VM management server. Same way, let me go to the virtual machines section. I'm going to copy the VM web public IP address. I'm going to RDP, MSTC, connect. Now you see RDP screen I'm not getting, because why? If you come to our security group section, then you will come to know that. NSG security rule. See here, allow RDP, I have given only for the ASG management. So ASC web, I have allowed it only for port 80 and 443. So that is the reason the VM, web VM, I'm unable to RDP. Okay. Now you got the point how the network filter is working here. Okay. But it is not allowing through publicly, but I am able to RDP from this machine. How I can log in? I can log in via private IP address. You can see here, go to the virtual machine, VM web. Just see this. This is a private IP address 10.0.0.4. So I'm going to RDP from this machine. MSTSC. .0.0.4. I'm able to because publicly RDP port is disabled, but privately it is not disabled. So I can able to RDP from my this VM. Maybe you got my point. This is public IP address. This is private IP address of the web. This has a public IP address, but RDP is disabled from publicly. So I'm doing RDP from my management server to web application server. Done. For this virtual machine, web virtual machine, I have enabled port number 80443. So how do we? Let me going to install internet IaaS services on this server. Then I can publicly check on this IP address, right? So let me go and create. Let me go to the PowerShell. Let me going to install IaaS on this server. So test is done. Web VM going to install IaaS. On web VM, going to install IaaS. Using PowerShell script, I'm going to install the IaaS. Let it run. Yeah, it is going to set up on the IaaS. We'll go and come back. I'm going to pause this video now. I will come back after some time. Okay, see in the VM web, IaaS has been installed successfully. Let me try to run the local web page here. Let me search HTTP localhost. See, successfully IaaS has been installed. Let me go and check in the publicly how to install, how to check. Let me open this. Let me go and check the IP address of the server, public IP address, VM web. Copy this public IP address. Let me go and check in publicly. Now you can see IaaS I can able to access publicly. So in this, clearly you can understand that for the web VM, I have enabled only for port number 80443. So I'm able to access this page, IaaS page from publicly. The another VM I have enabled only for RDP. So publicly I'm able to RDP this machine. So this is how our network security group and application security group works. So likewise, we can create a virtual network and associate the security group and application security group in this lab environment. Thank you, guys. Please do watch my channel. Please forward this video to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts or any queries, always reach me with my email address. I can help you with your queries. Thank you guys. Follow my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.